Move to Delhi for work and don't want to spend 20,000 rupees on a bed you might sell off in a year? Wondering if a rented bed is a second hand or what happens if it breaks? Or if you can take it with you when you shift houses? Here's everything you need to know about bed on rent in Delhi in one video. Is renting a bed in Delhi actually cheaper than buying? If you're going to be in Delhi for under 2 to 3 years, which is common if you've relocated here for a job, renting almost always works out cheaper. A decent queen size bed costs anywhere between 15,000 to 25,000 upfront. Add transport if you're moving from another city and then reselling it later at a loss. With Rentomojo, bed rentals in Delhi just start from 328 a month. You skip the upfront spend, and when your lease ends or you switch localities, which happens a lot with professionals moving between Gurgaon, Noida, and Delhi for work, you're not stuck finding a buyer. Is the rented bed second hand or used? This is usually the first concern people have, especially in a city like Delhi where dust and pollution levels are already high. The last thing you want is a mattress that isn't properly cleaned. Every bed from Rentomojo goes through inspection, refurbishment, deep cleaning, and sanitization before it's delivered to you. Anything with visible wear gets replaced or repaired before it reaches your home. So it's not someone's old furniture showing up at your door. And for select products, you can even choose a brand new unit. What's the minimum rental tenure for a bed in Delhi? Minimum rental tenure starts from 3 months. Plans can go up to 36 months, and after that, you can continue on a monthly basis if needed. So, whether you've taken a short term posting in Delhi or you're settling in long term, there's a plan that fits without locking you into anything rigid. What happens when the tenure ends? You get two options: continue on a monthly basis or return it. If you return it, Rentomojo schedules a pickup, inspects the product, and processes your deposit refund. No selling it online, no storage headache, no waiting around for a buyer. Is there a security deposit? Yes, and it's refundable. If there's no damage and no pending dues, you get your full deposit back. In case of major damage, any deduction is communicated within 24 hours, nothing vague, nothing hidden. If you opt for Mojo Secure, accidental damage and general wear and tear get covered too. So your deposit stays protected even if something goes wrong by accident. What if the bed gets damaged or stops working? If something stops working during your subscription, Rentomojo fixes or replaces it at no extra cost. Normal wear and tear, small scuffs, loose joints isn't charged either. You just raise a request on the app, a technician is sent out, and if it can't be repaired on the spot, it gets replaced. No calling carpenters, no arranging parts yourself. What if you relocate within Delhi or to another city? This matters a lot in Delhi NCR where people frequently move between Gurgaon, Noida and Delhi for work or get relocated to a different city altogether. If you're relocating within the city or to another serviceable city, Rentomojo also helps with product relocation. And if you're shifting your entire house, you can use Mojo Mover, Rentomojo's packers and movers service available at affordable and competitive rates. Same bed, same plan, new address, no rebuying furniture every time you move. Can you upgrade the bed later? Yes, after 6 months you can upgrade to another bed of the same or higher value. So, if you started with a single bed when you first moved to Delhi and now you need a bigger one, you can simply raise an upgrade request instead of buying a whole new bed. So to sum it up, bed rentals in Delhi start from 328 a month with Rentomojo. The rented beds are refurbished and sanitized before delivery. Repairs and maintenance on bed rentals are included at no extra cost. Only intentional damage is chargeable, wear and tear and accidents are covered. Your deposit is fully refundable and protected further with Mojo Secure. Relocation within Delhi is free and Mojo Mover covers the rest of your move. Most important,